The big boy is snoring. He's a little bit filled up with bones and everything because we started to get all the leftovers from the moose hunt. I don't hunt myself, not yet at least. Maybe at some point I will do, but for now I'm not really interested in that. So I just wanted to give you a short update on what's happening. Fuck me, that was a loose big stone. Got a little bit of a scoop of moose leftovers. The skin I'm not using this time at least. Sometimes it's good to cut it up and give it to the dogs because they can. It sometimes helps a little bit with the digestive system and all. So it can be good. For now, I don't do it because I'm pretty far behind in terms of training. So I don't want to give extra stress to the stomach at the moment. But what I'm doing at the moment, because I have it, I'm filling up all the holes in between the wood boards because they're just put over each other. I didn't put anything in between on purpose, so I can do exactly that. Just fill the holes with it's roof glue. It's this tar glue kind of with bitumen in it. I have a ton of those, so I'm just using those. Otherwise, construction glue or whatever, or silicone or whatever you have, you can use. With silicone, I'm not sure if it would actually like properly seal. I mean, it would seal, but the problem is like all the water is coming down from here. It's here. Before I did this now, I obviously always had a little bit of water going in because it comes down and then comes down, and then just goes in and goes into the wall. Down here, I don't have to do anything because I have the floor that ends somewhere around here. So that's fine. So yeah, I have recorded quite a bit, so soon I'm gonna do some updates. Also in terms of the moose meat and whatnot, and what I feed the dogs currently. So stay tuned for that. Otherwise, yeah. So this is a work in progress. I haven't ordered the kitchen stuff yet. I'm gonna do that when I get my next payment. Then I'm gonna order that stuff, and it's gonna take a little bit of time, but I'm not really in a rush, So everything beyond my setup that I had for the last 2 years is pretty much a good upgrade, So have a good one.